my benefits of drinking tea. Comment, like, subscribe. If you feel you were exposed to the virus, you have this to try. If you are vaccinated though, guys, it comes in different stages if you're vaccinated. So it might come in a flu-like symptom since you're vaccinated. Some people like me that are vaccinated, they will get the COVID differently from you. You will try this vervain bush, garlic, French thyme, paracetamol. Now, the vervain is good for mucus in your system. Garlic is a natural antibiotic. Paracetamol is for headaches. And the French thyme is good for inflammation. And it's also very good for the stomach. So these are the things you need to make the tea if you're exposed to the virus. Here I am to the stove with a pot of boiling water. So now I have the French thyme, vervain, paracetamol, 2 cloves of garlic. So the water is already to a boil. You don't have to boil it. You just have to cover it up and let it steam. You don't boil bush. You steam it. So I'm going to let it steam. And when the water turns green, that's when I get the tea. And I'm going to sweeten it with honey. Natural honey. Guys, the tea is done. And this is it here. See how green it looks in this cup? So I'm just going to pour some of it in this mug. And let's add some of the honey to it. Honey. And you just want to sweeten it. And that's your tea. You just drink some. There we go. That's the tea for the mucus. If you are exposed, I say, you could try this to help. Home remedies, guys.